Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, our hair changes. It may become thinner, drier or naturally grey. Many women over 50 want a haircut that looks stylish but is also easy to manage. The good haircut always needs in effort. Let's look at some simple and elegant haircut ideas. First is a short pixie cut. This is one of the easiest haircuts to manage. It is short on the sides and back and slightly longer on the top. You only need a few minutes to style it. Just wash, dry and maybe use a little styling cream. It makes your face look fresh and bright. This haircut is perfect for busy women who want a neat look every day. Second is a classic bob haircut. Next is a short layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. If your hair feels flat, layers can make it look fuller. This style does not need heavy styling. You can let your hair air dry and still look great. It gives a soft and natural look. Another great idea is the shoulder length cut with soft layers. If you don't want very short hair, this is a good choice. Shoulder length hair is easy to tie back and leave open. Soft layers make the hair look light and modern. It is simple, beautiful and easy to manage. For women with natural curls, a short curly haircut is perfect. Curly hair looks lively when it is shaped properly. You just need a little curl cream after washing. Let it dry naturally. This style looks lively and full personality. Now let's talk about bangs. Soft bangs can make your face look softer and younger. They also add style without much extra work. Just keep them trimmed regularly. Bangs are a simple way to refresh your look. Grey hair is also something to celebrate. Many women over 50 choose to keep their natural grey hair. Grey hair looks classy and confident. A good haircut makes grey hair shine even more. You can also add light highlights if you want a little brightness. Here are a few simple tips. Choose a style that matches your face shape. Pick a haircut that fits your daily routine. Low maintenance does not mean boring. It means simple, practical and stylish. A good haircut can make feel confident every day without spending too much time in front of the mirror. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.